particle move along a line so that its velocity at a time t is given by bt is equal to t squared minus t minus 6. If you want to represent it on the graph, it will look like this. This is your t, that's your bt, and the graph itself will look like that. So that is your bt is equal to t squared minus t minus 6. Now we are asked to find the displacement. The particle move between a time period of 1 to 4. So how do we do that? So to find s, we have to integrate bt. So bt here is the same as saying that is change in displacement over change in time. But we are looking for displacement here. So multiply both sides by dt and integrate. So that will look like this. ds is equal to the integration of dt. So we have time here 1 to 4. So let's integrate that. So if we integrate ds, it will just be s. So that is easy. So the harder part is 1 to 4 of t squared minus t minus 6 dt. So this will give you t over 3 minus t squared over 2 plus t 6t evaluate at 1 to 4. 4 cubed over 3 minus 4 squared over 2 minus 6 times 4 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 to the power of 2 over 2 minus 6 times 1 into bracket. So this will give you 128 minus 48 minus 144 divided by 6 minus 2 minus 3 minus 36 over 6. Now if you have your calculator right, you will have minus 64 over 6 minus 37 over 6. This will give you negative 27 over 9. This over 6, over 6. This is 9 over 2 meters. Yeah, the velocity is always measured in meters per second. So I forgot to mention that, but that's the deal. So the negative here means the particle is going to your left or is moving to the left.